One of the things that makes Dovra unique is that we develop and design all our exterior parts ourselves. For example, here we have what we call Rocksliders. These are partly to protect the car's sills when driving off-road, and of course to make getting in and out easier. In addition to these, we also make our own custom-designed indicators protection, and also mounts for the extra lights on the bonnet. Looking at our roof rack, also our own design, our own construction. The roof rack is made entirely of aluminium and has a total weight of only 44 kilograms. From here you can see, among other things, our 9 auxiliary lights. In addition to these 9, there are also 2 on each side and 4 facing backwards. On top of that, our solar panels are placed here. They provide 200 watts, and the entire system is originally developed for sailing boats. And you can stand and even walk on them. Behind the solar panels, there is space to attach accessories using the same fastening system. On the side, we can also see our ladder, all aluminium. And further along the side, you can see our flares. This is also our own construction and design. We make them with 2 layers. The outer and inner layers are made of ABS plastic, which we vacuum form ourselves. And inside this, we glue in the same material used in the floor. That is, a PET fiberboard to create a stable and well-insulated product. If we continue further back, we then have our rear door carrier, made of aluminium to save weight. The idea here is that you can actually mount your own accessories, your own bike rack, jerry cans, recovery tracks, or in this case, we've chosen to mount our own Dovra box and a spare wheel. The Dovra Rig X610 comes with both the extra spare wheel and the box included with the vehicle. Down here we can also see the entry step. Own construction, own design. All the components you step on when getting in and out of the vehicle are designed in such a way that you really shouldn't be able to slip, even if your shoes are muddy or wet in any way. All Dovras are equipped with a tow bar. Our X610 can tow 2,800 kilograms and the X750 can tow 3,000 kilograms.